Hello all, welcome. Today we are going to see how to sort an integer array. So suppose we take an integer array of 99, 12, 6, 33, 77, 87. Then we'll compare each element with the next. Like we'll compare 99 with 12. And if 99 is greater than 12, then we will swap it. Else we will keep its on a first position. So our idea is to bring all list elements to the left side. Okay, so let's start. Let's create a Java class. Define integer array. Ninety-nine, 12, 6, 33, 77, and 87. So for this we will use two for loops. So let's define the first one. I will iterate through the length of the array. Let's define the second one. J equal to I. J is less than array length. I will compare I with the J. Sort array I is greater than J. Then swap the number. So for swapping, we'll use very simple technique. It's a one line swapping technique. So if you don't know how to swap without using a third variable, please watch my another video. So we'll use this technique. Sort array J equal to sort array I plus J minus sort array I equal to sort array J. So we will print this array outside the loop, first for loop. So, so let's save this and let's see if the array is sorted or not. Oh, so we are getting out of bound exception. So let's debug it. We have we have to correct it here. So j equal to I, j is less than sort array dot length j plus plus. So let's save this and run this again. Yeah. Now the array is sorted. So output is 6, 12, 33, 77, 87, 99. So this is the simplest sorting statement. It's exchanging the variables value. So we can use another one using the third variable, like integer temp. So let's try that also. Temp equal to sort array I. Let's assign first i's value to the temp variable, then assign j's value to the I, and lastly temp value to the j. So this will happen if the first element is greater than the second one. So let's save this and run this. Yes, so now we can see the output. The array is sorted 6, 12, 33, 77, 87, 99. Hope you learn and understand both the techniques. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.